Guilford Digital for DBT makes it easy to complete your diary card on the go. To get started, click or tap the Diary Card tab in the left-hand navigation menu. Select the date on the calendar view and click Fill Diary Card. You need to select the date before you can start filling out your card. Next, you'll select the specific emotions that you experienced throughout the day, and you'll indicate the intensity of the emotion on the slider bar. These emotions were selected by your therapist, and if there's an emotion you want to track that isn't already on your card, click or tap See More and select it from the list. If you don't see the emotion, you can add it by selecting Other. Now you'll move on to Urges to Act and Behaviors. On this screen, select any urges you've experienced, rate their intensity, and add their frequency. Next, you'll select any skills you practiced. You'll also have the chance to respond to questions added by your therapist. Finally, you'll see a preview of your completed diary card entry. From here, you can jump back to any specific section using the Edit button before you submit the card to your therapist. Please note that your therapist will not receive a notification when you've completed the card and may not see any information you provide until they review it with you in session. If you need to reach them, please contact them using the methods they have recommended for you.